Some breaking news to bring to you right now on Links 007 TV News Report. 9-year-old girl found dead in barrel at home in Spanish Town. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police have launched a manhunt in relation to the murder of a 9-year-old girl whose partially nude body was discovered inside a barrel at her home in Spanish Town on Friday night. The deceased has been identified as Kelsey Cassidy Ferrigon, a student of St. John's Primary School and a resident of Job Lane in Spanish Town. Details of the incident remains unclear. It's reported that at around 8 p.m., a relative found the child inside a barrel partially nude with bruises to her head and private area. The police were alerted. Ferrigon was transported to the Spanish Town Hospital where she was pronounced dead. The Spanish Town police have since commenced an investigation. The Ministry of National Security has offered a reward of $2 million for any information that can aid the police in capturing the person responsible for the sexual assault and murder of the young 9-year-old girl from St. Catherine. Dead is 9-year-old Kelsey Cassidy Ferrigon of Job Lane in Spanish Town. The Minister of National Security, Dr. Harris Chang, said that the brutal rape and murder of the girl is an outrage, particularly in a time when the police have been effective in reducing the number of murders by double digits. Dr. Chang said this horrific act of unspeakable violence, where the life of an innocent child full of promise and potential has been crucially extinguished, will not go unpunished. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.